Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gift Uchechi, and today I want to teach you how to do your own knotless braid on a wig. If you want to learn how to do your own knotless braid, then you should pay attention to this very short tutorial. It will show you how to attach it in a right way that it will not look like you're just doing the old pattern Ghana weaving. So if you want to learn how to do your own knotless braid, then this is perfect for you. So guys, I will just leave you to watch this video to the very end. Please do not forget to click on that like button. Also comment. If you have any questions, you can ask questions. Do not forget to click on that subscribe button if you're yet to join this community. That means a lot to me. Thank you. If you have any questions, like I said earlier, do not forget to ask that in the comment section, and I'll be here to answer all of your questions. If you also want me to drop the full tutorial, you want to see the final look of this wig, then also put it in the comment section, because definitely I'll be attending to every one of that. Thank you. If you learned something from this tutorial, please just click on that subscribe button if you're yet to join this community. Like, share, comment. Your comment means a lot to me, because that is the only way I'll be able to interact with you and know what you think about this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and please click on every other of my videos to learn one or two things there. Thank you. If you're yet to subscribe, please click on that subscribe button, like, share to your family, share to your friends, share to everyone that you know that wants to learn how to do their own knotless braid. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.